G'day and welcome to the Winkie Pen Start Mark II with Jenny Brandis. I'll be showing you on the Peacock Bookmark from the Pattern a Month number 9 series. My camera missed the very tip of the bookmark, but we will go on. Put up a pin in the tip pinhole, hang 2 pairs open over the pin. Twist the left 2 bobbins to make them lock together. Then cross stitch the left pair through the right pair. These will become the outside passive pairs. Put up a temporary pin to the outside right, hang 2 pairs open on it. The left pair will become the inner left passive pair, and the right pair will become the right weaver pair. Using the right pair from the tip, cross stitch through both new pairs. Lay all 3 pairs aside. Put up a temporary pin to the outside left, hang 2 pairs open on it. The right pair will become the inner right passive pair, the left pair will become the left weaver pair. Cross stitch the new right pair through the left outside passive pair, and then through the left inner passive pair, and finally through the right weaver pair. Lay that pair aside. Using the latest new left pair, cross stitch through the 2 left passive pairs. Work the central weaver joining pin in cross stitch, pin, cross stitch. Put up a pin between the incoming pairs before removing the temporary pins. Ease the threads down to the pin. With the centre left weaver pair, cross stitch through the 2 left passives and add 2 twists. Put up the pin and tension. Cross stitch back through the 2 left passives, add 2 twists and put up the pin. Tension. Open the new pair and slide the thread under the weaver pair, easing the new pair up and hang on a temporary pin on the right side. Tighten the weaver pair up to the pin to prevent a loop forming and lay the new pair aside. Cross stitch to the outside edge. Continue working the edge in Winkie pin with 2 passives while adding new pairs on the inside as before. The right side is worked in the same manner, with new pairs added on the inside. I haven't done a video of the join between the start and the first fan, but there are detailed instructions in the PDF.